I washed Daddy's car. It was Father's Day morning. Bingo woke up with a big idea. Today, I want to surprise Daddy. Bingo tiptoed downstairs and walked to the garage. Inside was Daddy's car. It's a little dirty, Bingo thought. Daddy always drives me everywhere. I want to wash his car. Bingo filled a big bucket with water. He added some soap and grabbed a sponge. Splash! He started scrubbing the wheels. He wiped the windows and cleaned the doors. Bubbles flew everywhere. Bingo kept working, even when he got wet and soapy. At last, the car was shiny and clean. Bingo stepped back and smiled. Daddy is going to be so happy. Just then, Daddy came into the garage. He saw the sparkling car and Bingo covered in bubbles. His eyes lit up with surprise and joy. Daddy laughed and gave Bingo a big hug. Thank you, Bingo. This is the best Father's Day gift ever. Bingo wagged his tail and said, I love you, Daddy. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe.